Hey guys, so I told you we would talk about options that you might have for a failing septic system. Here's another one at SludgeHammer.
It's William Stoddard with SludgeHammer Group Limited. Repair and rejuvenate failing disposal field soils. What we do is we actually provide advanced pre-treatment in the septic tank. We can even restore the problematic disposal fields out there versus replace them. We have an elite trades network out there that provide the solutions to the clients, professional installations, professional maintenance, ensuring that the technology is implemented for all the right reasons. And again, this is a great way to prolong the lifetime and or recover and repair issues that happen over time with existing septic. Our website, sludgehammer.net.
Hey guys, so I figured I needed to add some comments to this. So I've posted 2 different systems that are available for rehabbing failing septic systems. So if you're looking for more of the professional route, I have tagged SludgeHammer. Reach out to them. They can hook you up with an installer in your area and get you taken care of. If you're looking for something that's more of a DIY option, go check out my other video.